Hey there, it's Jordan Smith of Nebraska Foresters. I am the Northeast Area District Forester, and today we're here to talk about green ash and emerald ash borer and the replacement trees for your green ash. So as you can see right here behind me is a green ash. It's a very common tree here in Nebraska. Most communities have quite a lot of green ash, and it provides wonderful shade, as you can see as I'm standing underneath it. This is a very characteristic leaf of a green ash. And then as you get closer to the tree trunk, you can see it kind of forms little diamonds. And the diamonds are a good kind of giveaway of what a green ash bark looks like. You get your characteristic diamonds in and around throughout here. Very common tree here, good native tree. It handles a lot of the stressors that we have here in Nebraska between the wind and the drought and the dry winters, which makes it a great tree for the state. Unfortunately, as many of you know, there is a non-native pest coming through the state and the U.S. called emerald ash borer. Right now, it's down in the Lincoln-Omaha area and out in the Kearney area, with some reported cases up in South Dakota and in Iowa. So it is in the area. What the bug will do is it will come in and it'll kind of burrow way around and underneath the bark and the hardwood, and eventually it'll slowly suffocate the tree, causing the tree to die. So then we come with this big issue of what to do after you lose your ash. First thing you gotta do is you gotta take it down. You gotta get rid of the tree. You gotta slow the spread of the bug, as they like to say, which is a very important thing to do. It helps delay the spread and it helps keep other ashes safe. But replacement trees here, we're talking about other big shade trees. If you want to stay native, we can go with sycamore or hackberry, both natives to the state of Nebraska, both very common in the state of Nebraska as well. If you want to go non-native and kind of go exotic, you could go a ginkgo tree. They're a little bit slower growing, but it'd be good talking points, and it'll add a little bit of diversity to your yard and your area. Other trees include maples, oaks, and other natives, as well as walnuts and stuff like that. That'll give you a nice diversity in and around your neighborhood and in and around your house. And then if you're looking for like a conifer tree, a good ponderosa pine will provide the same type of shade and benefits. They grow fast, not quite as fast as the green ash, but they also provide a great shade and give you a great return on your investment. Thanks for tuning in.